This whole state is intense. Wow. Kalbarri National Park here. Watch out for snakes on hot rocks. Hot snakes, hot rocks, rocks and snakes. Danger photos are not worth it. Danger photos aren't worth it. Welcome to Kalbarri National Park. This is exciting, our first little gorge here in Western Australia. And you can see waterway over there, which I feel like is a consequence of all the rain we've had this year. A beautiful consequence. So warning, heat kills, beware. Temperatures can get up to 50 degrees in summer. And the loop walk can be up to 10 degrees hotter than at the top of the gorge. Good God. All right. Drink more water than you think you need, but we're just here for the lookout. We're not going hiking. And even though it's December 1st, it is about 8:30 in the morning. The sun is out. Sun's out. Guns are not out because I don't want to put sunscreen on, but it is a bit windy, but very temperature good. It's probably like 24 degrees maybe. Oh wow, check this out. Watch out for hot snakes on rocks. Or rather, watch out for snakes on hot rocks. Hot snakes, hot rocks, rocks and snakes. You get the gist. There's a lot of water in this river. 20-year high for waterfall this year. Wettest season in 20-something odd years, so. So we are here at Nature's Window and the Loop Trail Lookout. We're gonna go down there to Nature's Window. The Loop Trail, however, is closed from 7 a.m. due to heat risks, so no can do. Big 3.5 kilometer trail, but that's okay. We're just gonna go, I think it's 500 meters down there to see Nature's Window, so that'll be fun. Brad's grabbing water and let's take a look at this beautiful gorge up here from the top.
Those fissures.
Fissures? Oh, fissures. Oh, fissures. Who's fishing? Are there fish down there? Probably. Oh wow, it curves. For the faint of heart or budget, $1,000 penalty if you walk, but the loop starts here, so goes all the way around, and then this part of the river right now is all dried up. You can see right there, but I was right that it could go through, but it doesn't. Cliff risk area. If you ever see anyone with this photo, that is going to fall and people will get hurt, so don't go there. Danger photos are not worth it. Danger photos aren't worth it. We were just over there. See the gray thing, and then there's a walk over there to the nature's window. That's where we just were. And it's so, hat alert, so far down.
Air swans.
Wow. The birthplace of the Goa'uld. Actually, just kidding. They are the arthropods. And they evolved. And they have tracks. Ha 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 ha. The noon shadows. Pretty small.
No more danger signs, so no more danger.
Yeah, just like the myth of self-cleaning. Well, you know it was a bad hurricane when the sign is gone, my God. But anyway, let's just be really careful. Okay, well, I see why that sign's there now. And you're like, you shouldn't be standing there. But here we are, on something they built that is safe. Happy days. Well, this is fun, Kalbarri. Had a lot of fun. It's a good time. A lot of inland drives, and it's really windy, and